Let's have a look at extract answer in this case. So you pass a text, and here I will pass the same customer review where the customer is not happy, but we have a long version. Yeah, I have a long version, and I will go over with this one again and again. So I will pass this one, and I will have to ask ChatGPT something. Why is this customer not paying his bills? Okay, let's see what it does first, and then we'll discuss this specialized function. So you can see here the answer is we get a JSON object with an answer and a score. The score is a probability to get it right, so 40%. Yeah, so he's not very confident here, the LLM. But they say I can't make any payments on my credit card because I cannot access. Okay, this specific text should be found here. Okay, so you can find it here. I can't make any payments on my credit card because I can't access my online banking. Okay, this is what this function does. I'm here now in my playground of my ChatGPT account. Okay, so let's just compare what we did before with what we can get here. The functions we've seen before, the extract answer in Snowflake, it's a very specialized function. It's very hard to replicate something like this here. We'll have to find a better prompt than this one. But otherwise, you look, I passed the same customer review here and I prefixed it with answer very briefly. Why is a customer from the text below not paying his bills? Okay, but I must say, find the exact text. Answer me with a segment in the text below. Anyway, that's one way to do it. But if I do it here, look, the customer is not paying because his banking card has been repeatedly locked. Yes, it's very close to what we had before, but not the same. As you can see here on my online playground, I can choose between assistant and chat. Yeah, I'm in chat mode. I didn't pass any system here. Yeah, it's very similar to what you have in Snowflake because your role could be user, assistant. You see here, user, assistant, and system. Yeah, in system, you pass the initial instructions, the setup. The model that I selected here, as you can see, is GPT-4 Turbo is the latest. So it's very performant and so on. Yeah. So here you see the parameters that we could pass to the complete functions: temperature, maximum length, and yeah, you have top P. You have other parameters here. Yeah. That but once again, it's very similar to what you have in ChatGPT. Yeah, the LLM functions is Snowflake with what you have here. The extract answer LLM function in Snowflake, it will extract it will extract information from unstructured or semi-structured data, okay, and return a text document or English JSON object with the extracted answer. This doesn't formulate an answer in natural language. It just extracts a statement or a portion of the statements from the existing text. And the syntax is as it follows. So you pass a source text from text, and then you pass a question, yeah, in natural language. And as I was saying before, yeah, you get a JSON array, yeah, basically with JSON object, with answer and the score. The score would be between 0 and 100%. How sure your LLM has been that the answer was right.